Piolo Jose Nonato Pascual, born January 12, 1977, is a Filipino actor, model, singer, television host, comedian and film producer. Pascual began a career in 1993 after landing a bit role in the film The Visconde Massacre Story, God Help US, and made his first television appearance in youth-oriented talent and variety show, That's Entertainment. He rose to fame after he was chosen as the leading man of Judy Ann Santos in the 1997 classic soap opera, Esperanza. They went on to star in several other television series and films including Sa Puso Ko, Iingatan Ka, Sa Piling Mo, Bakit Di Totohanan, Till There Was You and Don't Give Up on US. In 2002, Pascual starred in period film Dekada 70 alongside Vilma Santos and Christopher De Leon, which earned him a Best Supporting Actor wins at the 2003 PMPC Star Awards for Movies, FAMAS Awards, and Gawad Urian Awards. In 2008, Pascual top-billed the acclaimed supernatural drama series, Lobo, co-starring Angel Locsin. In 2013, he starred in the neo-noir crime thriller film, On the Job, which was screened at the Cannes Film Festival and was also screened at the 17th Pakhan International Fantastic Film Festival in Bucheon, South Korea. Pascual executive produced films such as Kimi Dora film series and Kita Kita. In 2018, he returned to television in the drama series Since I Found You. Pascual and Lovie Poe starred in the 2022 Philippine adaptation, Flower of Evil. Piolo Jose Nonato Pascual was born on January 12, 1977, in Hospital ng Maynila Medical Center located in Malate, Manila. He is the youngest son of Amelia, Amy, Nonato Pascual and Philip Victoriano Pascual. His father was a casting director for international films that are shot in the Philippines. Piolo attended elementary and high school at St. Francis School in Santa Ana, Manila. When he was in 5th grade, Piolo joined the school theater group, Teatro ni Kiko, where he was introduced to the world of theater and acting.
While he was in third-year high school, Piolo started appearing in That's Entertainment, a popular teen variety show that aired in the 1990s. He eventually left That's Entertainment, however, to get into college full-time, studying at the University of Santo Tomas, Leste, where he studied Lee General Education. He later shifted to physical therapy in preparation for his immigration. Around 1996, however, Piolo put his studies and career plans on hold due to his planned migration. They lived in Los Angeles, where he worked as an ear representative in the hospital where his mother worked. When Pascual turned 21, he decided to return to Manila in order to pursue his acting career again. Pascual has a son, Inigo Domenico Zaro Pascual. Pascual is also the uncle of Filipino actor Benjamin Alves. In 2013, Pascual joined the PETA campaign, Free Mali, whose aim is to move Mali, the lone elephant in the Manila Zoo, to a larger area. As of 2024, Pascual has been romantically involved with Shayna Magdayao. Despite his pretty boy image, Piolo is oftentimes rumored and believed to be gay. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 vlogs.